Folks, I'm adding condensed milk to boiling water here. I've got 250 milliliters of water and a can of condensed milk. My can of condensed milk weighs 395 grams. Now I'll stir to dissolve all the condensed milk in the water. Just one mixture. All right, the condensed milk has mixed well with the water. I'll turn off the heat and transfer this mixture to our bowl, which already has the other ingredients, a tablespoon of vegetable oil and a whole egg. We'll add it and stir quickly so the egg doesn't cook. Now we'll continue adding the remaining ingredients.